Are you tired of constantly adjusting your phone's brightness to match your surroundings, or maybe you prefer to have full control over your screen's illumination? In this video, I'll show how you can turn on auto brightness mode on your Xiaomi phone. As a treat, I'll also show how you can turn it off. So let's start. First, open the Settings app on your Xiaomi device. Then scroll down, find Display option and tap on it. Here you will find the brightness level option. Tap on it. Next, just toggle on automatic brightness and the phone will brighten or dim your display based on the environment you are in. But if you prefer having control, just toggle it off. You can also use the quick settings panel to turn on or off the auto brightness feature. Just scroll down from the right side to bring the quick settings panel. Then tap on the quick settings with the A icon and auto brightness will be turned on for you. And if you tap on it again, it will be turned off. So that's how you turn on or off auto brightness in any Xiaomi phones. If the video did the trick for you, smash that like button. Want more Xiaomi phone related tips and tricks? Subscribe to the channel because we have got more of them coming. As always, thanks for tuning in and I'll catch you in the next video.